This makes a nice box circle.
Okay, this is the rectangle.
Mhm.
The
So if
classifier.
it's between 1 and 1, it's gonna draw it a nice big one here, fat one. So all the outside ones are gonna be small and inside ones are gonna be nice and fat.
Okay.
Okay, is these parameters. Okay, so let's change the classifier now. So what do you say?
Okay. This.
So you say,
1 if A is.
yeah, so equals if of brackets. Yeah, and yeah, that's how Excel programming works. Right, and
A and D are.
open brackets. And now you put everything that's and. So you say x1 bigger than
X1
bigger than.
or equal.
Yeah. B1. Just say bigger than.
Okay.
B1.
A1.
Yeah, okay, A1, yeah.
Or did we use A as B?
No, A1.
I think it's behind here.
Yeah, so you can click on the below one, press the up arrow.
Okay, enter.
Comma. A1. A16.
Less than B. B1.
Comma. X2. Not X1, X2.
You wanna put everything in the same thing?
Yeah.
Okay.
A2.
So here.
The right one. Yeah. Comma. X2.
You.
Okay. Close the end. But if the end is true, say comma. 1. Actually, here we got, no, I'm saying we're gonna comma 2. Comma 1.
So 2 if true and 1 if false.
Yeah. Brackets. Sure. Oh, break it down. Maybe just got 1 here. Okay, we didn't do F4.
On B and A.
Mhm.
F15 and 16.
And G's, yeah.
F15 and F15 and G. Oops. Enter.
Okay. A28 is bigger than A1 or A2. Okay, I see it. This is 3 minus 1. This is 1. Right. Okay, then it's the one big one. Because we don't have equals in there. Bigger than equals. So what is A1 bigger than equal to A2?
Everywhere.
Beautiful. Okay,
So this is the classifier,
it's the classifier.
the box.
So let's now move the box around a little bit.
Changing the B's and A's.
Make it wider to the top, for example. Change the B's to a bigger number.
So B is, this is for one dimension and this is for another dimension. Or is this for one dimension? This
We'll
for
try to put that one as 2.
one.
Make this one back. Okay, put it back to 1.
Okay.
Try this one to 2. Try that one to 0.
What else?
Okay, now you have to pick 3 points that you can score on this.
What do you mean? Screw around with-
Pick 3 points so it does classify them correctly. Obviously, any 2 points you can classify correctly, right? Because this guy is so flexible.
Okay, so if I put, you mean that I don't need even the flipping of the sign and stuff.
Oh. Yeah, there is no flipping of the sign, right? There's no flipping of the sign. The shit that's inside is always 1 and the shit that's outside there's always -1. You don't have a parameter in front of the x1 and the x2.
Yeah.
Okay, that's a good observation.
I've been looking at it for 2 hours.
Okay, but still 2 points you can always scatter.
Yeah.
So make up 2 points and let's see what you can always scatter them. Try to give me a really bad example.
2 points.
Mhm.
But I can always get it 2 points.
You can always classify. If you pick 2 points and I can pick a classifier. Pick them really bad, like in a corner or something.
Okay. But just 2.
Mhm.
You can just make a fat rectangle.
Just make the rectangle in the corner.
Yes.
Okay? You can always do that. Always make a rectangle in the corner. So separate. Okay, let's try to do 3 now.
But you cannot.
Yeah. So if you put a fat one between 2 small ones, right?
Put a fat one here.
Between
Between.
two small ones, right?
So like this. And like this here. What is this? -2? 2? No. 2 -2.
Okay, this one you can scatter, right?
Mhm.
But now if you flip it around, you have small one between 2 fat ones. Now you won't be able to scatter it no matter what you do.
Really? But the answer they gave us today was that the recent dimension is at least 4.
What's wrong?
And they gave this example.
Oh, I just gave another one. You can't flip it. It's dumb. The ace did very well.
No problem. So that
in Colombia, they must not be that bright, you know. This is bright, they didn't know it.
the plus must always be inside.
Yeah,
And
that's
2
what
is plus.
So it says here, right?
What do they mean with this? you know, bracket for razor 8 plus set up preference show decision for up to 8 finally.
Figure it out. You know how to use Excel? You have Excel installed on X1 and X2. It will give you either -1 or 1, or 1 or 2, or any X1 or X2. It's not going to be correct, but it's going to give you an answer.
No, I lost track.
There's every combination of X1 and X2 found in this thing.
Are you talking about if I change the parameters?
X1 and X2, every combination of X1 and X2 is done here in this chart. You don't
Oh,
pick
here,
X,
you mean?
yeah, you don't pick X1 and X2, you just put all possible combinations.
Oh. What about this? There's red dots.
These are the things that the guy first picks. He's the bad guy. Tries to pick them to make your life really hard.
Okay.
The more he has to pick, the bigger your PC dimension.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I understand that bit.